Welcome to Adora Meditation, guided meditation for healing. Let's begin this meditation by settling into a comfortable position. You may sit with your back straight or lie down if that feels better for you. Gently close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do this a few more times. Inhale deeply. And exhale slowly. Feel your body begin to relax with each breath. Now, let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. Simply notice the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. With each exhale, let go of tension, worries, and anything you don't need in this moment. This time is for you. Bring awareness to your body. Feel the points of contact. Your feet on the ground. Your hands resting gently. The surface beneath you. Notice the weight of your body, fully supported by the earth. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, reaching deep into the earth. These roots are strong, grounding you. With each breath, feel a sense of stability and connection to the earth's healing energy. As you breathe, imagine the energy of the earth flowing up through these roots into your body. It's warm, steady, and grounding. Allow this energy to fill you, anchoring you in the present moment. Now, bring your focus to the area just above your head. Imagine a soft, radiant golden light appearing there. This light is warm, gentle, and filled with the energy of healing and love. With each inhale, imagine this light slowly descending, entering through the crown of your head. It flows gently into your body, bringing a sense of peace and renewal. Feel the light move down your neck, relaxing your shoulders and spreading warmth through your arms and hands. It flows into your chest, filling your heart with soothing, healing energy. Let the light continue downward into your abdomen, your hips, and your legs. It reaches all the way to your toes, illuminating your entire being with its healing presence. As this light fills you, imagine it dissolving any pain, tension, or negative energy. Picture these being gently carried away with each exhale, replaced by calm and vitality. If there's a specific area of your body or heart in need of healing, direct the light there now. Imagine it surrounding and nurturing that area, helping it to heal and restore itself. Now, let's repeat some affirmations silently or out loud to support your healing. I am whole and complete. My body knows how to heal itself. I release what no longer serves me. I invite love and light into my being. I am worthy of health and happiness. Feel the truth of these affirmations resonating within you, anchoring deeply into your mind and body. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up for this healing practice today. Feel gratitude for your body, for its strength and resilience, and for all the ways it supports you. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the gentle rhythm, the soothing in and out. When you feel ready, wiggle your fingers and toes gently, bringing movement back into your body. Begin to notice the space around you. When you're ready, open your eyes, returning to the present moment. Feeling calm, grounded, and renewed. Take this sense of peace and healing with you into the rest of your day. Namaste.